Hello students, welcome to the lecture video on physics. Our topic is acceleration. In the previous lecture we have studied about the velocity and our topic is acceleration. First of all, we will discuss what is acceleration. Acceleration is related to the velocity. Acceleration is related to the velocity and we can define acceleration as change in velocity per unit time. Change in velocity per unit time is acceleration. Change in velocity. If there is change in velocity means if there is increase or decrease in velocity. If there is increase or decrease in velocity, then there acceleration occurs. If there is change in velocity, then only acceleration occurs. So first of all, we will write the definition of acceleration. Acceleration is defined as change in velocity per unit time. Acceleration is defined as change in velocity per unit time. This is the definition of acceleration. And SI unit of acceleration, XI unit of acceleration. What is the SI unit of acceleration? SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. And in the third point we will write acceleration is vector quantity. Acceleration is vector quantity because it has both magnitude and direction. Acceleration is vector quantity because it is both magnitude and it has both magnitude and direction. Acceleration is vector quantity. And now acceleration of a body is 10 meters per second square. See, acceleration, if we will write here acceleration of body is 10 meter per second square means if a body is moving with acceleration 10 meter per second square, then what it means? Acceleration of a body is, if anybody asks you what is the meaning of acceleration is 10 meter per second square, how can you describe that a body have acceleration 10 meter per second square? It means acceleration of a body is 10 meter per second square means velocity of a body is increasing by 10 meter per second in every second. So you need to understand acceleration of a body is 10 meter per second square means velocity of that body is increasing by 10 meters per second in every second. So you have to understand that if the acceleration of any body is 5 meter per second square, then you have to understand velocity of a body is increasing by 5 meter per second in every second. So it is clear, it is very important, you have to understand this. Now mathematically, formula of acceleration can be written as mathematically acceleration equal to acceleration equals to change in velocity by time taken. And change in velocity we can write final velocity minus initial velocity by time taken. Final velocity minus initial velocity by time taken. So by symbol we can write v minus u by t. Here v is final velocity, final velocity, and u is initial velocity, u is initial velocity, and t is time taken. So acceleration, formula of acceleration is v minus u by t. Acceleration equal to, for numerical it is important, so acceleration equal to v minus u by t, and v is final velocity, u is initial velocity, and t is time taken. Types of, there are three types of acceleration. There are three types of acceleration. There are three types of acceleration. First is positive acceleration. Positive acceleration. Positive acceleration. And what is positive acceleration? If the velocity of a body is increasing, then it has positive acceleration. If the velocity of a body is increasing, then it has positive acceleration. Body whose velocity is increasing, then it has positive acceleration. In case of positive acceleration, you have to understand body is moving with increased velocity. If velocity of a body is increasing, then it has positive acceleration. Now second, we will write negative acceleration. And in case of negative acceleration, velocity of a body is decreasing. So velocity of body is decreasing. We'll write a negative acceleration. Velocity of a body is decreasing, so it has negative acceleration. And negative acceleration is also called as retardation. It is also called as retardation. You have to understand, in positive acceleration velocity is increasing, in negative acceleration velocity is decreasing, and there is third, zero acceleration. In case of zero acceleration, body has constant velocity. Body is moving with uniform velocity. Body moving with uniform velocity. Uniform velocity means constant velocity. Velocity does not change. Body moving with uniform velocity has zero acceleration. So these are the three types of acceleration. One is positive acceleration. In case of positive acceleration, velocity is increasing. In case of negative acceleration, velocity is decreasing. And in case of zero acceleration, velocity remains constant. Neither it changes nor it increases, nor it decreases. So in zero acceleration, body is moving with uniform velocity, that is constant velocity. So these are about the acceleration. Thank you.